Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I know Milwaukee has just released a lot of their newer safety gear line that they have. Hard hats, safety glasses, vests, things like that. So I was running through Home Depot today to get some material for a job, and I ran across their face masks that I had seen released and ordered online, but they were in the store today. So I know a lot of the guys and gals still, on some of their jobs have to wear them right now due to the pandemic. So I thought it would be nice to pick some up and wear it for a little bit and see what I thought, and then let you guys know. So here's the review, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is what I picked up. It's the Milwaukee All Day Comfort Better Fit masks. It's the 3-pack, part number 48734238. This is, like I said, a 3-pack. This is the 3-layer mask. They also sell one that's just kind of like a single layer. So again, says it has a breathable layers, moisture wicking, antimicrobial, water repellent. But that's the back here. It has it says limited lifetime warranty, which I'm kind of interested to see what their warranty would be on a face mask. But anyways, that's what the package looks like, and I have one on right now here, so I'm gonna flip you guys around. So this is what it looks like on. There are sizes. This is a large, extra large. I didn't see any other sizes at the store today, but it's very comfortable. I normally wear a different brand masks on the jobs that I have to, and it's that one's comfortable, but I will have to say that by far this is much more comfortable. And it is nice because some of the masks, when you talk, it has a tendency to kind of get sucked into your mouth when you're talking, and this one does not do that at all. It does build up moisture on the inside just like any other mask that you wear, but like I said, I wore it today for probably around 6-7 hours doing a job at a customer's house, and it was nice. It was very comfortable, and I was pretty impressed actually, just because a lot of the masks are super uncomfortable to wear. I normally wear one that kind of has like a interchangeable liner, but this one, being that it has the 3 layers all built in together, I didn't do that. And like I said, super comfortable. I've been happy with it, and I'll pull it off here, and I'll show it to you up close. Again, this is the mask here. You got your, I don't know what the little bungees or whatever on the ears to be able to tighten or loosen. It's a black fabric, as you obviously can tell. And then on the inside, it's a gray. There's another layer sewed in the middle, according to the back there. And like I said, that's a large, extra large there. You've got a part number in there. But nothing really to it, but it does fit really nice. It fits on the bridge of my nose, and then right here at this crease here at the bottom, it's kind of like a chin line, so it wraps around the bottom of your chin a little bit. I was pretty happy. I mean, they're a little expensive. That was $37 with tax for the 3-pack. I gave one to my dad for him to try, and then I wore one today here. So that averages out, I don't know, 12-13 bucks a piece, which is a little bit more expensive. However, it's very comfortable, and like I said, when you do have to wear them, comfort is definitely something that's super important. So I was pretty happy with it again, and if you get a chance and you want to try them out, like I said, I would give them a thumbs up to try out and see what you got going on. So I hope this is helpful to some, and we'll talk to you guys later, and have a safe night. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then hit the notification for any new videos. So that's the quick review of the face mask. Like I said, it was very comfortable. I was really shocked for being right out of the package how comfortable it was. Material is very soft on the inside and out, and even the moisture buildup really wasn't too bad. I've had some masks that are a lot worse. So if you still have to wear one on some of the jobs, I know a lot of the construction jobs still require the guys to wear them, and if you have to wear them and you see them, give them a shot, like I said, because I think they're a little high on the price, but if you're wearing them all day, every day, comfort's very important. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I got a couple more Packout videos coming up here pretty quick. And again, thanks to everybody who's subscribed so far. Channel's going pretty good. It's been pretty exciting to see the comments and everything like that. So thank you guys. I hope you have a great night and stay safe.